Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you wondering if you qualify for a Lendingclub loan without hurting your credit score? Well, here's how to check your eligibility and pre-qualify in a few minutes. The first step is to go to Lendingclub's personal loan page. Just visit lendingclub.com or you can use the app. Now click check your rate or see your offer. Next is to enter your loan request details. Just select the purpose of the loan. It could be credit card payoff, debt consolidation, major purchases, etc. Go ahead and select the purpose and then just enter the amounts that you'd like to borrow. Next is to provide personal information. You're going to fill in your full name, your address, your date of birth, the last 4 digits of your social security number. Don't worry, Lendingclub only performs a soft credit check, so your score won't be affected. Next is to review pre-qualified offers. Now within seconds, Lendingclub is going to show you your available loan amounts, the interest rate ranges, and the estimated monthly payments. And final step is to decide the next step. So if you like the offer, you can continue to a full application, but if not, you can exit without any impact to your credits. And that's how you check your eligibility and pre-qualify for a Lendingclub loan. Up next, we're going to cover how to manage loan repayment in the Lendingclub app, so stay tuned to that video. And that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.